Hello guys. In today's video, I want to share a very simple and powerful trading algorithm from helpyoutrade.com that can help you create highly profitable strategies in just a few minutes. So be sure to watch the entire video. First, let's add the Help You Trade strategy creator to the chart. You can try it for free on the helpyoutrade.com website. I'll start by setting the time frame for this strategy to 1 hour. But keep in mind, this easy-to-use trading tool works for any time frame and for any pair, stocks, and crypto. You can also use it to trade options. Now let's start by adding some conditions to this chart. As you can see here, the Help You Trade trading algorithm already produced a very nice strategy with 77% profitable trades. Let's tweak it some more to get better results. I will start by enabling the greed condition. To learn about this condition and others, just hover your mouse over this icon and a description window will open. Make sure to learn about each of these conditions before applying them to your strategy. As you can see now, the profitable trades went up to 92%. Let's see if we can make it better by enabling the price change filter. Now it shows fewer closed trades, with 96% profitable trades. To remove some of the noise and make this strategy more accurate, let's enable the moving average condition. To fine-tune it even more, I will enable the NDQ condition from the advanced section of the control panel. As you can see, in just a few minutes, I was able to create a very powerful strategy with over 97% profitable trades. Now, all I have left to do is to create an alert so I'll be able to receive the buy and sell triggers on my cell phone. To do this, right-click with your mouse and choose Add Alert on the pair you are trading. Change the conditions section to Help You Trade, name your alert, and click on Create. I'm all done. Now every time the algorithm triggers a buy or sell order, I will get an alert on my phone in real time. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click like and share it with your friends and followers. And if you like this trading algorithm tool, you can try it for free at helpyoutrade.com.